and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. The machine would not power on, and so we had to replace the main display board with the buttons. And so let's go ahead and turn it on. You can see it's working well. We're going to test all the functions of this machine. Have to wait a little bit for it to heat up. A lot of people really like this DeLonghi Magnifica 4400 espresso machine. They make really good shots, and they're just really solid built machines. I mean, every machine has problems, but this one I think is actually one of the better machines out there for home espresso, for super automatic home espresso machines. It's going through its rinse cycle. Go ahead and make a shot. Nice shot of espresso. And we're going to test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to subscribe to the videos, please do. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Alright, thank you.